Hello, so today I want to show you my tried and true technique to applying eyeshadow. It is called the L.O.V.E technique, and I really hope it will help you in getting more confidence in applying your eyeshadow. So I am not a makeup artist. I'm just a mama, average mama, just learning new tips and tricks to applying makeup and allowing myself to feel more confident when I do. So I want to share what I've learned for you, and hopefully it'll help you with your makeup routine. So let's dive in. So the technique today I'm going to show you is called the L.O.V.E technique, and it is my tried and true. I've applied it with like all sorts of eyeshadows. You can use it with any colors, any color combinations. It's great. So today I'm just going to do my browns today because it just really enhances my hazel eyes. So this is my go-to eyeshadow combo. So the first step is called, in the L.O.V.E technique, is called level your base. So I'm gonna take the lightest color here and use a fluffy brush and dab it in, tap off the excess, and I'm going to level my base. So that just means that I'm going to swipe it all over my eyelid and then into the crease, and just that evens out any imperfections or any veins, anything. So you're starting out with this clean slate. And then I'm gonna do a few more swipes on this one. So it's just a light color. The next is O for ombre. So I'm going to take my second darkest shade of brown, using this fluffy brush again. I don't need that much, this is very pigmented. So I'm gonna go in and ombre the crease. So I'm gonna start here, and see I'm holding at the very tip, so that just gives it a lighter finish. So I'm just gonna swipe it like a windshield wiper all over my crease and get a little bit more, creating this ombre effect. And keep going until you're happy with it. So you can see it's starting to create some dimension. So I'm just gonna do this one over here. Okay, next step is V. So I'm just gonna take my darkest shade of brown, and I'm actually gonna use this other, it's like a flatter ended brush, you can see. So it's more precise in the outer V of my eye. So the V is like, it's like a V like this. So I'm going to put it here and up in my crease, and then we're gonna blend it out. So I'm gonna just dab it in very, very lightly. This is very pigmented too. And then we're just going to dab it. I'm gonna close my eyes and do the bottom V, and then do the top. So it creates this little V. And that just adds another line of dimension here. And you can also do a little, ooh, that's scary. Do a little bit on the bottom of your eyelashes. Don't go all the way because that'll close in your eyes, and you don't want to do that. So this is also the technique I like because I have larger eyes, so I don't want to like close them in. I like to brighten them up, and we want to draw the eyes up. So that's why we just do the outer side. Okay, that looks scary right now, but you use your other eyeshadow brush, this fluffy brush, and you just blend, 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 and keep blending until you're happy with it. So see how it just gives us another line of dimension. So you can do this with any color shades. That's why I love this technique. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye real quick. Okay, so I did the other side. So you can see how it just adds that cat eye effect almost, and it's very subtle. It's not crazy. And then the next step, the final step, is E. So it's an enhance the lid. So this is a shimmer color. You can also do another matte color if you want. It's up to you. But I'm going to use this shimmer, and I'm actually going to use my finger to apply this in the corners of my eyes. So it's very pigmented also. And so I'm going to start at the corners And this will just finish off the look. It'll blend it in nicely with the other darker browns, so you can see like what that does. Awesome. I love this technique. Okay, so if you get like too much in here, you can always blend it out. So I can take my fluffy brush and I can just blend it out. I can also take my lightest shade again and just dab it in the middle to create that, again, that ombre effect. So I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, I'm just gonna blend that one in again too. Okay, and that's it. That's the L.O.V.E technique. So it's so easy. You can also take the shimmer and add it to your brow bone to also like lighten it up. So it just gives your eyebrows even a lift. So good. Okay. So the next thing is Maggie mascara. So this is my tried and true mascara. I've tried a lot of products on the market and I just keep going back to this one. So it has castor oil in it, and that is proven to really help lengthen and grow your hair. So either eyelashes, eyebrows, and your hair, whatever. But this is infused with it. So I just keep going back to it. But the trick is that I've learned is to warm it up before you use it. So, but when you're doing your eyelashes, when you're doing your eyeshadow, I just like stick it in somewhere, but like in between my thighs or anywhere to get it warm for like five-ish minutes before you use it. And that really loosens up the castor oil in it, and it just like glides on. It doesn't cake or anything on your eyelashes. So what I usually do, it comes really, really full. So I actually try to wipe off the excess, and I use a mirror. And actually the trick is, so you don't get it on your eyeshadow, I look down and then start applying like that. Because before I would get mascara all over my new eyeshadow and I'd be really sad. So I'm gonna keep applying because it's kind of scary to apply it on camera. So stay tuned. Okay, so I finished my look and I added mascara, and you can see how full my lashes are getting. I absolutely love those tools that I use for my lashes, but look at the other video and you can see all the details on those. But yeah, so let's recap my L.O.V.E technique. So L is level your base, so that's your lightest shade and you go all over your lid. O is ombre, so you're gonna take the second darkest shade and ombre the crease and blend that in nicely with the fluffy brush. And then V is V the outer corner of your eye to create more depth, and then a little bit under your lower lash line. And then E, enhance your lid. So you're gonna take your shimmer or a lighter, very light shade, and do the inner corners of your eye, and then you can do your brow bone and the very, very corners to really brighten it up, and then blend it in nicely. So I hope that was helpful for you and just gives you a little bit more confidence in applying eyeshadow. Again, you can apply it to any sort of color combination. That's the beauty of this technique. I absolutely love it. So some goodies below. So I will link the products I used today, and then I'll also link my email. So if you want to join my email list, I'd love to have you. We can chat. You can look at giveaways that I'm going to do, different product drops, you name it. So that is the list to be on. And then if you want to earn products for free, we can do that as well. No strings attached. You can earn them for free. And then the other link is if you want to start earning commission and sharing it with your friends and family, you can do that as well. So look at the goodies below and email me if you have any questions, and stay tuned for my next video.